Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This stackable shoe rack is a great way to organize and store shoes when you have a limited amount of space. It really works excellent in a closet or where I have mine by the entryway. I loved that I could take such a small space by my entryway door and organize up to 6 pairs of shoes with it. No more shoes scattered at the door. It's so convenient and it looks so much better. I can even put my husband's size 13 shoes in it. It comes with really clear instructions for assembly, and they thought of everything because it even came with a mallet and an extra top piece if you wanted to separate the stack into 2 sections of 3 instead of how I have it stacked with the 6 on top of each other. The versatility and compact size of this shoe rack was a great solution for our entryway. And that's my point of view.